Hey everyone.
Hi guys, it's Dani and Adam here from Cafe Lighting and Living. So Adam, what's been happening this week?
Well, Dani, what's been happening is we have launched our product showcase event on April the 15th.
Yes.
Registrations are now open.
Yeah, so we have a lot of RSVPs rolling in. Very excited about showcasing some new product landing, even a lot of sneak peek that we would love your suggestions and comments on. So what else?
What else?
We have our special guest.
Yeah, we've got Deb Szabo, who is an AI guru. He's going to be running a workshop on AI in design. So very excited about that.
Yeah, and for those that unfortunately can't make it, stay tuned as we are looking at how we can share the experience also with you.
And Dani, where does everybody find this information?
Just in the description below.
Just a reminder that our showroom is open Monday to Friday, so everybody's welcome. Book your showroom appointment now. You can take a look at some new products, new ranges. Dani will be here to give you a guided tour of the showroom. If you're not local, interstate, or you just can't get here, then we're also doing virtual calls. So you can also book one of those online, do a video call with the team. They can also take you on a personal experience around the showroom from the comfort of home or your office, at a time that's convenient for you. So hopefully we'll see you here soon.
See you guys.